Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you previously used the HBO Now or HBO Go app to stream HBO through an Apple TV or Google device, select Samsung Smart TVs, or on your phone, your HBO Now app transformed into an HBO Max app on May 27th.
Take our lead.
Amazon and HBO Max finally reached an agreement that gets HBO Max on its Fire TV platform, as well as offer the subscription via Prime Video channels. That also includes customers of YouTube and Hulu's live TV streaming bundle.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Make sure you have the latest version of HBO Max. To do this, go to the Play Store, then choose My Apps and look to see if HBO Max is listed under Updates. If it is, choose Update. Make sure you have the latest software updates on your Android TV. To do this, go to Settings, About, System Update, check now.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The HBO Max app is still not available on Roku devices, but now, there's a workaround that will allow you to stream HBO Max content on your TV. Make sure that your Apple and Roku devices are on the same network, then tap the AirPlay icon and select your Roku device. Voila!
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you sign up for DirecTV Premiere or the Spanish-language Lo Maximo package, at $134.99 a month, you will get HBO Max for free. If you sign up for AT&T Choice, $64.99 a month with a 24-month contract, or Extra, $74.99 a month with a 24-month contract, you get the service free for 1 year.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Amazon and HBO Max finally reached an agreement that gets HBO Max on its Fire TV platform, as well as offer the subscription via Prime Video channels. YouTube has never offered HBO until now, but it's the same idea. You pay for HBO, you get Max.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.